The 2-year-old boy is laying down for nap time as some of the other classes, and the caregiver is there patting the kid aggressively, puts the blanket over the head, smothers the face, hits the kid again.
That's a description of surveillance video from the children's courtyard on West William Cannon. Last July, the child's father said he saw that while checking the center's live surveillance video.
Dad immediately left, went to the daycare, and approached them about this.
The family's attorney, Russell Button, says the center never reported it to the state or law enforcement, something Button says they have an obligation to do.
They are mandatory reporters, and this should have been reported immediately by the daycare to both the state and the police.
So the parents did instead.
Department of Family and Protective Services found violations, which means the daycare center broke the law as it related to this child's care.
Online records show the Texas Health and Human Services cited this children's courtyard location for 5 violations tied to this incident for things like physical abuse of a child and failing to report what happened. This, a part of 70 total deficiencies cited by the state from 2019 to 2024. The family took their son out of children's courtyard and filed a lawsuit against the center, claiming they want accountability
To send a message to children's courtyard that this is just unacceptable.
and to spread awareness to other parents about searching for prior violations on the THHS website and making sure there are recorded and live cameras in the daycare.
You don't just want to be able to see something bad happening. You want to make sure that you can tell the daycare to preserve the bad thing that you may have seen on live feed. And thankfully, that was the case here.
Sarah Alsheh, KXAN News.
And Sarah first reached out to the children's courtyard at the beginning of the week. She also went to the West William Cannon location yesterday for a response. She was told their legal department would reach out to us, but we have not yet heard back. We'll update this story when we get a response. Going in depth right now, the daycare center's records, plus the records of any other facility you want to look into, are available online. Child care regulation is a statewide program that inspects and investigates these operations to ensure they meet state standards. We do have a link in Sarah's story at KXAN.com.